I've been recording for like an hour when I was actually recording. There.
So this past weekend, I went south and Colten stayed behind. Went to a municipality shop, it's an airport actually, and picked up a car lift that I've been keeping my eye on for a while. It's a Mohawk. It's made by Mohawk, the manufacturer, and in my opinion, it's one of the best lifts out there. I know that's debatable, of course, but it's super strong and super hard to find used. So I've been watching the surplus auction sites for about a year, maybe longer. I've always had my eye out for one of these things. And so anyway, long story short, I hit the road with the Dodge. Opted to haul a 2,500 pound lift in the bed rather than pull a trailer down there, and the truck did it just fine. So I was trying to record some video when I was down there, but there were signs everywhere, and I for no video recording, and there were security guards and all kinds of people in charge keeping an eye on me. I actually had an escort the whole time, which I thought was kind of funny. I actually apologized to the one gentleman that is one of the shop employees, but he had to literally sit by my side for several hours while I unhooked this lift, unbolted it, and got it ready for the forklift. So that's one good thing. They had a forklift available for me, so I didn't have to try to muscle these gigantic car lift towers into the bed of my truck all by myself. Did a really nice job. Definitely many thanks to those guys for helping me out. So anyway, Colten stayed behind. We're trying to get this project done as soon as possible, and I told Colten that it'd be best if he just continued working on the shed house. So he spent a couple days hanging up all this metal roofing. We still have a lot more of this metal roofing to go. We could do the roof, we could do the ceiling more than likely. That's how much material we have. But for right now, where he leaves off at the end of this video, it's about where we're going to stop until we start figuring out a few more things, like where the bathroom wall is going to go and what we're going to do with just some of the space there. We're not exactly sure what we're doing, but I'm hoping here in the next couple weeks to get rock ordered up. So it looks like the weather's breaking. I can go ahead and get the water turned on, and once I get the water turned on, I can start soaking this floor to try to get a little bit more compaction. I just kind of give myself a little bit of insurance, but can't come soon enough because it's muddy right there by the door. It is super muddy, and I know Colten's not enjoying it. A few times I've walked in and out of the building, it's been very, very mucky. So need to get some gravel ordered up as soon as possible to kind of dry things out a little bit. And as soon as that's done, I'm going to go ahead and buy some 2-inch poly styrofoam and some PEX tubing and rebar and start getting the floor put together. So in the next few weeks here, I'll have some videos coming out as I kind of progress the floor side of this project. But for right now, Colten's doing an excellent job using up this old roofing. I'm a little bit torn. I kind of like the way it looks, that rustic look to it. I don't know if I should leave it how it is or paint it. So I'll give it some thought here for a little while and just kind of think about that.
Sure you guys enjoy that view, didn't you? I'm just gonna move y'all around today. You can get the full view of everything going on. So that's our floor. You like that view? Oh shit, so I can move you guys back. This is the worst time of day to have to be filming in this direction, but I can't control the weather, so we'll put you guys right about there. Hopefully that'll work for you. Alright, I'm gonna plug the compressor back in and make a whole bunch of noise, so you're not gonna be able to hear me talk anymore, which I'm sure you're all just gonna cry about.